first outfit that I have here.
Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be bringing you guys some 5 must-have summer outfits that you guys will need in your wardrobe come July and August. I am so excited for this because trust me guys, I really went through the whole Rolodex of like kind of go-to situations and I really want to put this together for you guys. I'm also thrilled to be partnering up again with my friends at Topshop to be bringing you guys this video. I'm gonna have all of the Topshop pieces that I selected in the description box below. Again, I went to personal shopping. I go and see Alana at Yorkdale. She is so great. We basically just pulled a bunch of different options. I let her know what type of outfits I wanted, and one thing that you guys may not know about Topshop personal shopping in Canada is that it is totally free, and they definitely try to get you out of your comfort zone while still trying to kind of work with your style. And I definitely tried a bunch of things I never even thought of trying before, so you guys should definitely head on over to personal shopping and book an appointment if you guys are shopping at Topshop. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video and we're just gonna get right into the 5 summer outfits. I tried to kind of divide it up into different situations that I feel like a lot of people will be running into in the summertime, and just really trying to like show you guys how I kind of put everything together. So the first outfit that I have here is the Errands look. So by that I mean you're on the go, you want to stay cool but at the same time look put together, and instead of throwing on your trusty sweatpants or any type of legging, I decided for a cargo. And you guys know that I love cargo pants. I think they're so fun. Topshop had so many different types, but I decided with the trusty camo, and I actually sized up in these because I really wanted them to be slouchy and kind of a little bit more roomy. And then I paired it with just this really basic cropped tee and my chunky sneakers, and then to make it look a little bit more on the trendy side, I added a bucket hat. In Canada, I can definitely get away with wearing pants in the summertime just because it doesn't get as hot as other climates, but you could definitely switch this out for a pair of like cargo style shorts if the climate allows it. I think that this looks so cool and you'll be so comfy while running all your errands on a hot day. The next outfit that I have here is just kind of based around the idea of the sundress, and this is kind of like a more bohemian style look. I love the whole like kind of free spirit vibe of this, and I decided to pick up this dress from Topshop with a ring in the center of the back. I love how strappy it is. It's totally adjustable. I personally felt like it was supportive enough for me to go braless in it, which is also an added bonus, but I love pairing it with this pair of Western boots as well as this little bag I got from the thrift store. I think that this whole outfit looks really great and definitely how I'm going to be rocking a sundress this summer. And if you're heading to any festivals this summer, I think that this is a really great look for that as well. Also, I love the deep red kind of brown tone of this. I think that it's just going to be such an on-trend color even going into the fall time, so definitely keep a lookout for any kind of dark neutrals this year. The next outfit that I have here is the wedding guest look. And I know that there are so many weddings in the summer. I know that I'm actually going to one probably around the time that you guys are watching this. So I want to show you guys kind of an easy throw-in summer look that you're never going to get tired of when going to a wedding. And I love this. It's a little bit on the sexy side, so if you're going to a more modest wedding, you may want to throw a blazer on top or something like that. But I really love this like sexy slip dress from Topshop. The back is just drama, guys. It's so freaking pretty. And then I paired it with this pair of earrings that I got from Topshop with those little like seashells. I think that they add just a little bit more like trend to this outfit. And then this little kind of plastic clutch that also looks super cute. I love wearing browns, especially when I'm a little bit tanner. It's such a great wedding guest look because it's very simple, you feel very put together, but at the same time it's really comfortable and really appropriate for a lot of the more dressy events that you may have in the warmer weather. The next outfit I have here, I know that a lot of you guys probably have some kind of casual Fridays going on in the office, or maybe you are like an intern and get to wear stuff that's a little bit more casual in your workplace. And I decided to go for this casual Fridays look, and this is basically how to look appropriate in the office but at the same time stay cool. in a more casual setting. So this is not for those business formal folks. This is definitely for people who can get away with wearing sneakers in the office. So I decided to pick up this tie-dye dress from Topshop. It's definitely a midi length, and the sleeves aren't super strappy or anything. It's definitely a sleeveless, but it kind of hits at the right place for kind of a more modest environment. And I love the tie-dye in this because I know tie-dye is super trendy, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can definitely bring trends into a more like modest office setting. And I personally, in any type of office space that I ever worked, I could definitely get away with that type of sleeve. But if it is not like that type of vibe, you could definitely throw on a linen shirt on top. Linen is great because it keeps you super, super cool, but at the same time, it'll give you a little bit more coverage in your shoulder area. And then the last outfit that I have here for you guys is the one that I am wearing, and it is my pool party outfit. Guys, this bathing suit is just everything right now. I love wearing bright colors in the summer because I'm definitely a lot darker, and I love it. So instead of wearing a regular jean short, I decided to pair it with this kind of utility style skirt. Topshop has so many of these, and they have so much swim going on right now. I think that like honestly anything can go well perfectly for like a pool party type event. But I decided to wear this with my trusty black slides, and I really let the bathing suit stand out. So I tied my hair up, kept everything else very neutral. That is just always my rule of thumb when wearing bright colors. So with that being said, guys, that is the end of my video. I just wanted to thank Topshop again for sponsoring this, and you can definitely find all the pieces that I have mentioned in the description box below. As always, if you guys want to see how I style any of these pieces or how I'm just styling my summer wardrobe in general, head over to my Instagram because I post a ton there. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.